This is from my flatmate's daughter. Good luck, Brett. I will miss you, Brett. I wish you could come back and live with us and do something fun with us. Bye, from Isabel. And that's the drawing of me moving from this flat to another flat, which isn't really true, but she didn't know that, so that's my goodbye letter from Isabel. South Island, I'm here. Now I get to go drive through that. Head to Nelson, let's do this. I wasn't really kidding about that drive. Like, I was down there. That's the ferry I took right there, and that's over there where I took that video. In case you're keeping track, I think I drove for about a minute and then had to stop for this. But this is amazing. This is kind of like what Maui was. I was on there before I came over to New Zealand, so not too bad. All right, back to the road.